up guys, it's Fabi here. I just received an awesome package today from an amazing brand that's called Juvenile, and they dropped some sunglasses and I just had to get myself a pair. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing here and just kind of review them a little bit, try them on and see what we think about this pair. So I'm gonna have to put these down for a little bit and try out these ones and see what they are all about. Alright guys, so here we have the Juvenile box that the sunglasses came in. Wow. It's this really nice like leather, and I really like the letters and the glowiness of these letters. So here we got the shades. We got it in another little packaging right here. Also made of leather. Very nice. And then as soon as we open this, pop this open and we got the shades. Alright guys, and there we have the shades. Super clean. I'm gonna go ahead and have a little photo shoot with these on right now and just show y'all a few outfits that I'm gonna be wearing these with when I go out. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think and get yourself a pair. They come in black, white, and red. I think the black pair already sold out, but let's go ahead and have this photo shoot, shall we? One thing I did forget to mention is that it has this Swarovski crystal right here. I think that's super sick. Alright, now that I did that, I'm going to be changing my shirt, pairing it with this Michael Jordan t-shirt that I cut. So let's see how it looks like with this outfit. Let's go.